Alrighty, this is the finished product. Honestly, there wasn't as many pieces. I mean, there's literally only 53 pieces. 58 pieces in this whole thing. So it has Mando on it. And then it has little Grogu. And yeah, what is even... It's the speeder bike. And then it also comes with little guns. So like little pistols. Also, I couldn't find the cape that he's wearing. It came in this little box, all fancy like. I want to get so many more of the Star Wars Legos. Let's go. Oh my god, his helmet almost came off. Look at him. Okay, let's put him back on his bike. Now to add it to the collection,